In this video, we're going to find the mean of some numbers that we find in a chart. So if we have a problem like this that says a group of friends were comparing their test scores, find the mean of the numbers. And here we have the test scores, and they range from 195 to 185. So step one is to understand what the mean is and how to calculate it. So the mean is the average of the numbers. So we need to find the average of all these numbers together. The average is the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So in this case, we just take every number and add it up, every number in this table. So the sum of the numbers is 195 plus 193 plus 187 plus 190 plus 185, and that equals 950. Then we need to know what the number of numbers is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers. Okay, now we just do the average to find the mean, and that's 950 divided by 5, which equals 190. So the mean, or the average of these numbers, is 190. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. I also have links in the description to other videos that are similar to this, so you could watch those as well. Also, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.